Okay, the reason I'm teaching you this little lesson in between this lesson and the next lesson is because for those of you who are going to study science of some sort, recursive formulas are used in a lot of experiments, meaning you get an answer of some problem and you plug that into the next problem. And then you plug that answer into the next problem until you get the final answer. And if you go to my gray book, Advanced Calculus book, which is around here somewhere, there are tons of recursive formulas in there in higher level science. So it's something that you're going to see again, the n's and the n minus ones and the n plus ones and stuff like that. So this is just like an exercise so you can kind of understand how to use them, okay? So we know that F1 is 2. So when the first term of our sequence is a 2, okay? That's the first one. Now f of 2, and we're looking up here, would be -5 times f of n minus 1, okay? So f of 2 is going to be -5 times the guy before. So it's going to be -5 times 2, which is 10. Do you see it? I mean -10. This guy here is the guy before f of 2, so that means it's f of 1. And f of 1, they said, is 2. So it's going to be -5 times 2. So what would f of 3 be? F of 3 is going to be -5 times f of 2. So that's -5 times -10. So we've got 50.
Wait, so what do we get for f of 4?
So f of 4 is going to be -5 times 50, which is -2500. So every term is going to be the one before it minus 5. What is 6 minus 5?
1.
What is 1 minus 5?
4.
What is -4 minus 5?
-6 or 10.
Maybe 9. What is -9 minus 5?
-14.
I think that's the answer.